Hey guys, Money Marrow Tech, back with tech review. I'm happy you came back for this next review we got here. Right in front of us, we have the Anker SOLIX C300 DC portable power station. Okay, so this is offering up to 7 outlets. You can use a solar panel, 100-watt solar panel to charge it up. It offers up to 140-watt charging and recharging speeds. Have a 3-year warranty on it, and it is a 90 milliamp battery, which is 288 watt hours. Yeah, right here, 288 watt hours, and pushing out a total of 300 watts. So we're gonna walk through it. I do have the little brother, the Anker 548. If you guys want me to do a comparison video, please go ahead and comment down below. Do first video with the old one, with the new one. But in the meantime, guys, we'll go ahead and get in the review. All right, guys, so real quick, what came in the box, have a Type-C cord to Type-C, small one, about 3 feet. You have a 3-year warranty card, so you can register it and get a 3-year warranty on it. Then you have the user guide. And obviously you have the unit right here in front of us. So real quick, we'll walk through it. So right here, you have your pairing button to your phone, either used by Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You have your power button right here. You have your light button right here. You have your 2 Type-A. You have a car cigarette port. You have your input for your solar panel charger, so you can plug it up to 100 watts. So you can charge it up via 100 watts. Then you got 4 Type-C charging cords down here. So if you look close, they're all labeled. So one would say C1 for a total of 100 watts, C2 for 140 watts, C3 for a total of 100 watts, and then C4 for a total of 15 watts. And we're going to go over that here in a little bit. It'll make more sense here in a minute. On the side here, you do have vents to keep it cool, push out any heat. On the back, you just have a little bit of detail about the device. More vents, bottom, and then you have a handle to carry around. And then on top, it's kind of like a lantern, like the other one, where it pops out, and then you push the light button to turn it on. So real quick, while we're here, let's go ahead and turn it on. Oh, sorry, yeah, turn power on. Powering up. I did want to go ahead and charge it up so you be able to work properly. And then click the light, and there it goes. So that's the lowest settings right now. And if you see right now, it's already showing you that it's outputting. So real quick, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. So it's telling you right now it's only using 1 watt, it's 100%, and is the estimated hour of usage for the light to be on is 99.9 hours, and it's showing out. So that means the power is going out. Click it again, get brighter. Obviously the watch went up. The hours still remain the same, so maybe right here it might be maxed out. It might only go to 99, but we'll see more of that in a little bit. Click it again, get brighter. Now it's at a total of 3 watts. As you see, keep going up, and then turn off. So like I mentioned, the design is pretty similar to the other one. Like I said, I won't do a full comparison video of the other one, but it has the same characteristics. Only difference is this one have more outputs and it have a bigger milliamps. The other one was only 60 milliamps and output was only 87 watts, where this one is a total of 300 watts. This one does feel heavier than the other one, but it's still under 10 pounds and stuff, but it definitely has some weight to it. So, you know, over time, if you're carrying it all around, backpacking, camping and stuff, be mindful of that because it could over time get heavy. Especially, you know, if you're the type of guy who like to put in your bag or rucksack and stuff, it will get heavy. But this is a perfect idea for, emergency weathers at the house. If the power go out, turn on your lantern light. If you need to plug up, your kids' tablets and stuff, because they can keep themselves entertained until the power turn on, you have it right here. So obviously you can plug their, like for instance, I have small tablets, they can probably plug it up to a type A. Okay, it don't take that much wattage to charge up. So I'll probably use those 2 ports to plug it up. Other than that, the design of it looked pretty, sturdy. I like the color they got going on here with the gray and blue. They did only offer one color. The last one offered green and gray, but this one only offered in blue and gray. So side note, you don't have to download the Anker application, but it comes very useful. So I went ahead, downloaded the Anker application, as you see right now. Turn this down a little bit, and it already shows that I'm connected because I already paired it up. So right here, it shows now connected to Bluetooth. I'm at 100%. You click on it, and right here it displays all your stuff. So right now it's telling me that's turned on. The temperature of it is 75 degrees, and nothing is coming out or inputting out. From here also, I can also use the toggle to turn on the lights from here as well and off. So if you're maybe on the other side of the room and you need to turn a light on for somebody else, you can do that. You also can turn off the display as well to save more battery and show on here. But these are all optional, but this comes very handy, and I'm gonna show you that here in a minute. All right, we'll step up a little bit. We're gonna go to my JBL Charge 4. See how much wattage to take out of this one. There we go, turn it on, displaying. And right now it's showing a total wattage of 4 hours, and it did drop down to a 52-hour usage for to charge up your Charge 4 JBL. So real quick, while we're here, let's take it out the 15-watt plug and put it in a bigger watt. Let's try the 140 watt here, so it'll be C2, and see if the power outage change. We're thinking about it, and now it's at 2 watts, 7 watts. Okay, now it went up a little bit. Okay, 7 watts. Now we're at a total of 35 hours. All right, so not bad. So now let's take it up a notch and do a little bit more stressing on the battery. All right, next we're gonna do the Samsung S24 Ultra. Fast charging, supercharging, 28 minutes on here, and we'll see how much we're outputting. So right now it's outputting 19 watts, 18 watts, 15 hours of remaining battery. So we all know, if you don't know, the Samsung S24 Ultra can take a max output, take a max of 45 watts to fully fast charge. And as you see right here, it's not really displaying 45 watts. So not very sure about that. Let's plug out something else that I know is very power hungry. All right guys, so next we got here is the Samsung Galaxy Book 360. This should take a minimum of 60 watts to charge up, right? So right now, I just plugged it up, as you see. And real quick, I'm gonna zoom in and see how much wattage is coming out. All right. So right now, we're saying a total of 61 watts, which is about typical because this laptop does come with a 60 watt charger brick in the box. So right now it's saying 60 watts, which is very accurate, 61. And a total hours of before it completely dies is approximately 4 hours, which is a good estimate. And real quick, I'm gonna show you the difference between the display here and the application. Get it pulled up. So here it is on the app. Like it says, it tells you everything here, 100%. Right now it's outputting 54 watts, 53 watts now. So it went down a little bit, and what port it's coming from. So it tells you exactly the exact port that it's coming from when you are using this. So not only can you, like I say, use it on you can see it and check it on your display, but you can see it on application. So if you're not by it and you have some type of concern, and as long as you're in the house connected to Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, it will let you know as well. So real quick, I'm gonna use what I have laying around and see what we can get out of it. So both allow you to charges up 2 different ways, or 2 ports to charge up fully. So say charge from here and charge here at the same time. And we're gonna test it out real quick. So real quick, right here, I have a 100-watt U-green charging brick. This should push out up to the near hundreds. So real quick, I'm gonna plug it up real quick and see what happens. So real quick, I'm gonna plug this in the wall. And plug into the device. And let's see what happens. Right now, it says we're pushing to charge up 90 watts, 91 watts. So you do see that it is charging up, and it's telling you that's gonna take less than 10 minutes to fully charge up, because 0.1, so about 10 minutes to fully charge to 100%. And real quick, it says you can take another plug to charge it in. So right now I have my other charger plugged up to one of my power stations right here. And here's a cord for that one. We're gonna plug it up and see what happens. And as of right now, nothing's happening. Okay, real quick, try this again on my side. So definitely not changing. There is power coming from this because green. Maybe I try to plug it to something else. Another power brick. Let's see what we got here. Okay, here it is. We have your Samsung Samsung Book 360 power brick. We're supposed to give you a total of 60 watts. So real quick, plug it up. And survey says, all right, it's not changing. So you guys see it yourself, it's not changing. Real quick, unplug it and see if it make a difference. Does it detect it real quick? Okay, so it does detect the power coming into it, and it's only saying that, okay, so there it goes, it went up to 60 watts. So it does detect it, but maybe it's not letting the other power come in. So I don't know, it's supposed to be a feature, but it says on the description that you can use 2 power bricks to fully charge it up. I mean, it's still giving you a charge up, but you said, you know, I'm trying to show you guys that what they're advertising and testing it out myself. And as you see right now, maybe if I bought me a Anker brick or Anker portable power station, it'll make a difference, but it should still display or put out what it's supposed to. And right now, you see it's not doing it. Real quick, I'm gonna try it again. Plug in this plug into the other port to make a difference. It's calculating, it's thinking about it. Right now we're at a total of 30 watts. Now we're at 91 watts, and it's only showing 91 watts. So real quick, let me go to the application, and it pretty much turned off the C3. As you see right here, it turned off the C3 output outage from the wall, and it was only using the highest voltage, which is coming from the 100-watt U-green charging brick. All right, guys. So as you've seen, we tested out a little bit, charged it up a little bit, got a very interesting results. First thing I want to say, it can be different options. You know, maybe the reason why it wasn't taking the 2 charging ports because it might have a safety feature built into it, where once you're at a certain point of the battery, you know, being almost charged up, to disconnect the lowest output or the next output, and might just use one, because, you know, it did say approximately 10 minutes to 100% to fully charge, because that's what the 0.1 is. Take about 10 minutes to fully charge up. So maybe it disconnected the other ports from inputting energy as a safety feature. But I will do more review. I will go more into it. I just want to get on here real quick and do a quick unboxing and show you real quick. P.S. guys, if you're interested and you want me to go into a further depth and do a full review on the two similars, I call them two siblings. This is little brother and big brother. And when we do a full comparisons and do a full video on it, please go ahead, go down below, comment and let me know. I want you to do verse for the Anker 300 versus Anker 548, which is, like I said, to me, they're little brother, big brother. They both have the pop out lights where you can push out and turn on lights. This one has 2 settings higher. This will have 3 settings. Obviously one is smaller output versus the other one, but so far as we've seen in this one, it wasn't outputting a lot. But real quick, if you guys haven't seen the video for this one, I will leave it up here for you guys to look at. Just click on it and take you to this video right here. Also leave it in the next video up after this video. But if you want me to do a comparison, a full comparison and stuff, please go ahead and comment down below. But in the meantime, guys, if you're first time to my channel, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.